Hi friends, this is a inside view of remote control helicopter. I'm gonna unboxing this, and please subscribe my channel. Here is my channel name kshitiz, and please subscribe. Here I'm gonna unboxing this Sima RC helicopter mini, and this is you can see that there is one helicopter over there, and we can see here control. This is the control of this, and this is the radio control of this helicopter. We can see that this is the light blinking in the middle of this remote, and by this is a little throttle given this helicopter to make remote setup. And here is the sidewise control, left or right. Here is upper control, here right and left control. This is the three LEDs over there by connecting to helicopter. I am gonna putting this. Here is the helicopter inside view of RC helicopters. This is the motor, two motors over there, and these wings are interconnected with the motors by these gears. You can see here gear of this motors, and here is the battery of this is chip. So guys, please subscribe my channel for next video to fixing it. Please subscribe, and